What up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Tuck Notes. And this is your how to do section. And this is how to make food when you're dead tired after work and you still have to eat because your stomach's hungry. So, fortunately, I was able to grab this special little thing. This is a Brussels sprout salad with a mango salad with some mixed onions and some other special things. I'm going to put these in the refrigerator for the time being, but I wanted to show them to you. I also have these lovely fresh watermelon, and that'll be my dessert. Put that in the fridge, right? So, now that you've seen that, I just de-thawed this piece of pork. Here's a good tip. Write the date when you buy your meat. Get the Ziploc, get a permanent marker, and write the date down on the day you bought the meat, and then put it in the freezer. That way you know, and you can keep track of what meat is what and how long it's been there. It works out. I'm gonna wash my hands right now because I'm about to touch this meat and I don't want to, get any bacteria on it. So, usually people say, CDC says you're supposed to wash your hands for 20 seconds, right? I don't know if you guys know that. And I know that I'm not on the screen right now. You're missing that severely. So here we go. My meat. Now I came up with a cool idea because I like it. This is, when pork comes out of when you get pork, it's usually tender. And so, tender, if you don't know what that means, it's kind of thick. Like a thick steak that's hard to cut. However, this is not hard to cut. It's easy. And there's no fat. The only fat is this white part right here. So I'm going to take a plate. Not a big one, just a small one. I'm going to use this and I'm going to put my seasoning on there. So this is it. This is the pork. It's fine. It's bought on April 9th this year. And it's been in the freezer the whole time. So, so this is what I was going to show you. Check it out. I'm going to put this back in. I'll take the juice and I'll pour that out. I'm going to put this back in this bag. And what I'm going to do is, I've got a cutting board right below me. It's like a landing pad, soft pad. You guys can check it out. Don't pay attention to that. This is what I'm going to use. This is like a little mallet with these little things on the end. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to push this, check it out. Just enough to like push it. And why am I doing it with the bag? So I don't make a mess. Pretty cool. Look, now I flipped it over. I'm doing the other side. I feel like using this side now. So I'm gonna push in the middle, work my way out to the sides. And you almost kind of like spread out the meat. Make it wider. But I'm telling you, and I'm saying this so many times, because this works and it makes your meat taste so much better and it's so much tender. Or, I don't know what the word is, but it's much softer. much softer. So my hand just touched the meat. So always, but at least rinse your hand off. This is in a house, so I'm not under any guidelines. So I'm taking out 3 different seasonings that I like. I'm gonna show them to you. So we have from Costco, chopped onions. This is a there's no salt, which is cool. I'm sick of salt. And we got pepper. So I'm gonna grind these 3 on here. And you can see this and watch it. It takes a second. Literally, it's not long at all. I like to open up all the lids first. That way I don't have to get my hands super crazy. And when I do, boom, you know how to do this. And now I'm gonna take my fingers and I'm gonna push this into the meat. All right, and I'm gonna flip the meat over now. You'll see this after when I'm done. Hands. Why? First reason, right back here. Second reason, I'm touching this again. So I flipped it, and I don't want to have pork on my hands on the bottle. All right. Push it in. Push the pepper in. Now I'm done with the pepper. Put my hands in here. Put it down. Put the lid back on. Always put it on, otherwise you'll lose it. And now I'm taking the seasoning and I'm just gonna kind of sprinkle it on like that. Push it. Push it real good. Hands. It's annoying. I can't swear on this channel because I'm professional and I want to be a professional, and we don't do that on Tuck Notes. Push again. All right, close the cap. Done with that. Hands again. Last thing is these onions. Now these onions come out kind of weird. Not in a bad way, but it's easier to do it this way. And put it in your hand. And then, it's in my hand, check it out. I'm gonna put it, and I'm gonna just kind of sprinkle it over there. Same thing, push the stuff in here. The stuff is these chopped onions that are dried. I'm gonna do the same thing, but the thing is when they get wet, then they turn to like a really tasty onion. And I don't have to chop it either. It's meant for this type of stuff. So I'm done now. And I'm gonna show you guys the meat and what I'm gonna use to cook on it. Because I made videos about other times where I put it in the oven, but it's too late. I told you I'm tired of. So I'm gonna go find myself a pan. What I've been told is this is the pan to cook on. I use this type of pan, a metal pan. This pan is not the type of pan I use to cook on. There's a reason why, and I don't know for sure exactly, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this on like that on high, and I'll end the video right now. Here it is, so you guys can see what it looks like. Yeah, I pushed it in, my fingerprints are right there, and then on the other side. So this is gonna heat up for about 2 to 3 minutes, maybe 4, because it's a thick pan, so the metal needs a little bit more time to heat. After that, I'll turn on the vent so the smell doesn't get all over your clothes. I'm gonna put this on there for about 3 minutes, 3 or 4 minutes. And then I'm gonna flip it and do the same thing, and it should be ready by then. That's the fastest way to make this meal, and then have that lovely salad that I showed you, and whatever beverage you want to drink. I'm dehydrated as hell, so I'm gonna drink a lot of water. So anyways, I know this video, I don't even know if you'll watch this video, but it might help you. It's long, but I will continue to make videos. I don't even care about the length. I do in a sense, because it's 10 minutes and about that's when you lose your attention span, so I'll end it now. But wait for more videos in the future on Tuck Notes on YouTube, and then on Instagram I do have a food net. It's not like a network, but I do have a lot of things that I've made that you can check out on there too, and it shows step by step how to do it. So thank you for watching my videos, by the way, and subscribing and viewing it. I love it. You guys are the best. You kick ass. I mean, really kick ass. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Appreciate it. I love you. Bye.